Hey guys, what's going on? Jay here from smarthelping.com. What I'm going to teach you real quick is how to change the text direction in Excel. Before I get into that, don't forget to check out smarthelping.com for all kinds of different templates and tools and financial models. I've built over 100, and you can, there's SaaS models, real estate models, industry specific bundles, all kinds of stuff you can buy in bundle, get lifetime access. You can buy individually. So you can support me in this way. Now, let's get back over to Excel and show you this. So text direction. Now, this actually came up in the live stream today. I stream live every weekday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Check it out. Um, so if I highlight this, let's do test. So this is a test, right? So you have some text here and you want to show it long ways. Well, first of all, you're probably going to want to highlight the cells, or or I guess you could make the one cell really long and put it that way. Normally you'll be merging, so let's merge this over. So highlight, click the cell, highlight down, and hit merge and center at the top. And to change the text direction, you just right-click the cell. You go to Format Cells down here, and you've got this box that will come up. You don't click anything over here. You go to the Alignment tab at the top, and look at this. It's kind of not intuitive, but you can change this. So I can move this from there to there, and now look, boom. I could also go format cells. I can also make it go this way, which is kind of weird, but you could make it go that way if you wanted. This is mostly used in sensitivity tables. I use it in financial models a little bit. You can see examples of it here where I have a model with a bunch of different things, and to make the different categories more understandable, you can label sections of the model with this text in here. Obviously, it wouldn't make sense if I made it going long ways, but doing it up and down like this, it makes it easier to see what these different sections are. So that's it. Pretty simple. Let's go back and I'll show you in Google Sheets as well. I'm sure you can do it in there. So let's see. Let me get back over to the browser and shoot, I need to go to a blank one real quick. Shoot. All right, let's move away from the browser while I find that. 1 second. So I'm just opening up a new Google Sheet. Okay, and I'll put this Google Sheet in the link description below. Text direction. Okay, so here we are in Google Sheets, and let's see what's going on in this one. I can't spell. All right, so here I've got text, and I want it to go long ways. Okay, and so how do I do that? Format, and I don't know how to do that. I want to find out. Uh, let's see, alignment. This might be easier. No, rotation. Oh, here we go. Let me go -9. Oh, yeah, there we go. So you just go right click. You go to right click on the cell, go to, where was I at? Wait, how did I just get to that? Format. So click on it, go to format at the top, and you want to go to rotation, custom angle. And here I went -90. If you go +90, there we go. That's the one I would like. And you could center it. You could put it in the middle here. This is a test. So that's cool. You could also make it, it looks like you can do any, well, same with Excel. So if I wanted to make it like a 45-degree angle for some reason, um, we go back here, go to format. Oh, that's kind of cool. If you wanted to make it like a diagonal. So that's pretty awesome, guys. We can change the text direction in any way. Don't forget, check out www.smarthelping.com for more. I do all kinds of different financial modeling stuff in Google Sheets and Excel. There's a very, very extensive amount of work that you can do there to help your business with tracking things, organizing things, financial calculators, all sorts of cool stuff. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Know every sale I get, I will be doing a free help video that involves Google Sheets or Excel.